This is a very quick video with no fluff on our track lighting connector. It is just a quick overview and just one video of our extensive video collection. Check out all of our track lighting videos for detailed and in-depth explanations and troubleshooting. We hope it helps to improve or confirm your understanding of the H-style track lighting system. We want you to be well informed before you start your project. Now let's get right to it. This is our track lighting T-Connector right here. It's obviously a T-Connector. So let's get right to the T-Connector. I'm going to flip it over, talk about some key points here. So the T-Connector, and ours is somewhat unique from other track lighting systems. It's a double ground system. So every side of the T-Connector actually has two ground tabs. And this is important because when you're running your system, you're coming in with the track and the polarity may be on the wrong side for other T-connectors, but on this T-connector, the polarity for the ground is always on the correct side because there's two grounds. And one of them you're going to remove. So look at your track before you put it in here and look where your ground is, and you're going to remove the side that doesn't need the ground. If you try to put your track in this connector with the grounds in place, it's not going to fit. One of the grounds has to go. And that gives you incredible versatility when running a great big system that has T connectors, L connectors, X connectors, mini joiners, and all the parts. So this is a great connector and well thought out. So on every one of these sides, one of the grounds must be removed. So to remove it, take a needle nose pliers, twist it back and forth, and you'll break it right off, and that's just fine. And while we're down here at the grounds, I want to note too, there's a little burr here, a little burr sticking up in the middle. You can feel it. It's not smooth, it sticks up. It's right there. Here's a little close-up of it. And what that's for is when you slide your track on, that little burr stops the track from coming back off. Now, if you're in a situation where you need to take the track on and off, take that little burr, take a pair of pliers, and just gently push it flat. I want you to know that it's there. That's important. And we do talk about in one of our other videos about how to put the track on the connectors to make sure the bus bars inside the track all line up. So let's talk about lining up. So there's going to be a hot, a neutral, and a ground. And you need to be aware that the polarity needs to go through. There's also a 1/2 inch knockout on the back of these connectors in case you're in a situation where you're bringing power into the connector from above. Let's flip it around to the side that you see visibly from the floor when looking up. And I want to note here, I'm going to take this off. I want to note that these screws here, these are set screws. They're not made to be structural. That means to stop the track from coming out. Run them into the track gently with a screwdriver. Never use power tools on a track lighting connector, because if you run that screw in too deep, you're going to have a problem. So here, let's take this cover off. So I've taken the cover off, and you can see that inside there's a number of jumpers that jump from side to side. Now, why did they use jumpers? Why didn't they just use some sort of other, permanent device? Well, you may not want a permanent device. Let me give you an example. Let's say you're bringing power and it's coming down this side here. It's coming into this connector and it wants to go that way. Well, in that case, this jumper can stay. But let's say you want this side isolated. You don't want this side to come on when that side comes on. So you take these two jumpers off and you can bring power in separately through this knockout and run it down this side. Or you could bring power in 3 sets of power. You could run one circuit that way, one circuit this way, and one circuit that way, and then you remove all the jumpers. Again, it's about versatility on the T-connector and all of our connectors, so you can build the layout with your track lighting system the way that you want to, and you're not held by the polarity of the track and not being able to make the changes that you want. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions on our products, please feel free to ask us. Use this email address for quick communication, support@totallightingsupply.com. We answer product questions all day long, Monday through Friday. However, if you ask questions on YouTube, it may be some time before we see it. Our videos are designed as an overview of our products, and we recommend hiring a qualified electrician for your project to ensure a safe installation. And as always, see the description for links to our website. See the product description on our website for important details, as well as updates and specifications. Also, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any new product information. We offer information, such as this video, and a level of service you will not find anywhere else. Consider using us for your project needs. All of us at Total Lighting Supply hope to hear from you soon.